This is Seth David with the world-famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated, bringing to you another special screencast. This time we're talking about SmartSheet and how to optimize your grocery shopping experience. Knowledge is power. Make an impact by learning more. Call us right now at 866-945-8070 for information about private training. So SmartSheet was designed, of course, for project management, business purposes, but as always, I like to take these things and sort of see if I can bend them and break them and use them in ways that they were never intended to be used. And I introduce you to the shopping list. Now, lately I've been actually pretty good about having my wife do this herself. She'll log into the SmartSheet. I have it shared with her on her computer, and she checks off the things that we need. But this morning, she wasn't feeling as motivated, so she gave me a handwritten list. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so I'm doing the food shopping, which is only fair since she's doing all the cooking. So with that in mind, I'm going to show you the process. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sort the rows by item, right? Because that'll make it easier to find. But notice I have the the aisle number. So when I'm done, I'll sort it back by aisle number, because then with the mobile app, when I'm in the supermarket, it makes it really easy to find what I'm looking for. So now I can see that we have Crystal Light, and I'm not going to bore you with the whole process of watching me check off everything, but you get the idea. As soon as I check off Need It, notice the row kind of lights up. It's no longer grayed out. So I'm going to pause the recording. For you, it's going to be a second. For me, it's going to be like 5 minutes. So I went ahead and checked off everything that was on the list my wife prepared for me. And now you'll notice, of course, I've got a bunch of things checked off, and I haven't sorted it yet. The other thing is sometimes there are new things that weren't on the list before. So those, of course, are here at the bottom with no aisle number, and as I'm going through with the app, I'll, of course, add in the aisle number from the app, so it'll be there next time, right? So these are things that either I never got before or never bothered to put in here because, some of this I know exactly where they are. In the supermarket. So now what we're going to do is we're going to sort this back by aisle or section number, right? So we're going to sort rows. And that gets it into the proper order. So now when I go to the supermarket and I pull this up with my app and I save it first, then all I have to do is go aisle by aisle and pick up whatever's checked off. And then when I get it, I check off got it here. And that lets me know for sure that I've gotten it. This way I keep track of what I have and what I haven't gotten yet. And if I can't find it, I even set up a column here for that in case I can't find something. So I kind of skip over those and go back to them when I've gotten everything else, or sometimes I'll just call her on my cell and say, "Where is it?" Because she usually knows. She's funny like that. Anyway, then I'm going to do one more quick experiment here while I'm doing this. You can filter the rows, in this case, or filter the column rather. In this case, we're going to filter it for only those things. We only want to see what's checked, right? So I'll check off checked and click apply. And because the mobile app, you don't have as much of the functionality as you do here. So like I can't resort the list from the mobile app and that sort of thing. So now I'm going to pause the recording again. I want to check the mobile app to see if the filtering renders in the mobile app. So I tested the app off recording, and the app on the mobile does not reflect the filters. So no need to do the filters, but bottom line is you go in, you select what you need, and then you sort it by aisle or section. At the bottom, again, I have the new things that I need to get an aisle number for. I'll do that from the app when I'm in the supermarket. And that's it, folks. So this is probably what I think is an unintended use, but a very good use for SmartSheet when it comes to managing your grocery shopping. As always, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the web.